Hello friends, welcome back to my channel TNS Journey. And today you are starting your new journey with your host and host TN SINHA. And today I am going to have lunch with one of my best friend, Captain Wu Jawin Chun. For this, don't skip and you stay till the end of the video. It's going to very interesting and foodie vlog for you. Please stay and continue. Captain is watching my vlog, Putulbari, the haunted place, and wishing me good luck. This is the pilot in Alliance Air. So just we are going to introduce with him. Let's come. I want just introduce my one of good friend, one of my best friend here. He will tell everything about himself. Please introduce to my viewers.
Okay, good morning everyone.
So how are you enjoying here?
Okay, very good.
Very good.
Yeah.
So just we are going out right now to have just fun, and we'll come back again.
Okay.
And we will show you some fun here. Oh, please mind here. Okay. See you. Now we are in kitchen preparing for salad. This is tomato, now we are preparing half fry egg. This is one of my favorite all to egg for me. This is rice, automatic rice cooker, coriander, green coriander, just for garnishing. And this is prawn. We are going to fry. It will take another 10 to 15 minutes. Now this is ready. Everything is garnished. This is amazing, yummy, it's mouth-watering. This is fish soup, prawn, This is detox drink. After having meal, you can take it.
Very much. Goodbye and take care.
Bye.
Jai Hind. See you next time.
See you next time.
I cordially thank to Captain Wu Jaw Win Chun from the bottom of my heart for wonderful lunch we had. It was a fantastic meal. I thoroughly enjoyed myself. Actually, it was very satisfying meal. Thank you very much once again, dear Captain Wu Jaw Win Chun. That's it for today. See you next time. Till then, allow your host or those TN SINHA to live. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And press the bell icon for notification of upcoming videos. Thank you very much. Goodbye and take care. Jai Hind.